Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my morning routine. As you can tell, girl, I'm already in the bed. I had a good night's rest, period. Okay, so yeah, we're waking up feeling very much rejuvenated. So as soon as I wake up, y'all, I'll be getting on my phone, which is really a bad thing. I need to cool out with that, okay? But it just be so hard. So yeah, I'm just scrolling on Instagram, and if you all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me. I have it on the screen. And it's always in the description box down below. So yeah, girl, don't forget to follow me, because I'll be posting some fire pics, okay? And you don't want to miss. And then I'm on YouTube, and I'm just so happy because, girl, we made it to 400 subs. Like, we're almost halfway to 1,000. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So yeah, I'm finally getting out of bed, girl. After all that scrolling, listening to my girl Janae Echo, she just gets the vibes going for me in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just open my blinds to get a little sunlight. And girl, we gonna make up my bed and get the day started. And period, let's go ahead and wash our face. So I'm just gonna do a quick little one too, because I have to take Bella out, my dog. If y'all don't know who Bella is, girl, she's my dog and she's a hot mess. So yeah, I have to take her out. So I just do a quick little one too, just to make sure I don't be looking all crusty while I'm walking her, because you know how it is living in an apartment. If you have an apartment, girl, I don't be wanting to walk out looking all crazy, because you never know who you might see. You might meet your husband outside, like, you don't know. So I could be having a crusty face. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe my face off, and then I'm gonna get Bella prepared. Look at her, child, she be so happy, girl, she be so happy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take Bella on a walk, and then yeah, that's basically our morning routine with that. Okay, girl, so now that I'm back taking Bella on her walk, I'm going to go ahead and drink my little chlorophyll drink. This is so good, y'all. It tastes like lemon water with a little hint of like a spritzer. It just tastes so good. So yeah, after that, I'm going to go ahead and make me some pancakes, girl. And if y'all see me wearing different clothes, girl, this video was recorded on different days, so I had to get it in as much as I could. So yeah, that's why I'm like having on different clothes in each scene. So yeah, after I cook breakfast, I'm gonna go ahead and just unload my dishwasher and just wash any dishes that I have used. And then yeah, so usually I like to drink like a bottle of vitamin C. I love doing this because I feel like it really like gets me with drinking water as well. So that's like one bottle of water down already. So it just makes it a little bit easy for me to continue to drink water. So yeah, girl, make sure you have your little vitamin C, whether it's in a pill or it's like in a juice form. So yeah, this is really nasty, but I just like drinking it because, you know, I stay up on my water. So yeah, now I'm in the bathroom and I'm about to focus on my skin. I love to do my little face mask in the morning before I take a shower. If y'all want to see my shower routine and all the things that I use, I'm going to have that link down below, period. So don't forget to hit that link down below if you all want to check out my shower routine. So yeah, I'm just going to do this face mask, and then we're finally going to get ready for the day. So this is the outfit that I'm deciding to wear today. Today was actually Father's Day, so I had a couple of errands to run, get some gifts to my father. So this is how the fit looks, really cute. I have on my Skims shorts, and then I have on just this t-shirt that I got from Misguided, my Air Force Ones, and this cute little bag that is like my go-to.
clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, booty, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, booty, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Eat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing. I keep my niggas private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you bitches really getting kinda boring. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it. I'm the shit.
Okay, girls, so we outside with it. Okay, so I'm at the pool. I love going to the pool. It's just like so relaxing, y'all. Like, I just love it. So yeah, I'm just at the pool chilling and yeah, catching the sun, honey. Okay, vitamin D me, please. Period. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my little I guess afternoon at the pool. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I ended my day having a good old time. This is actually my birthday celebration. So yeah, if y'all are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because this vlog is coming soon of my birthday. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.